Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to go live on TikTok. So let's get into it. First of all, open the TikTok app. Tap the create icon on the home screen. That's the plus sign on the bottom of the screen. Select live from the menu. Once you select live, you'll be able to see a preview of your video feed. In the preview, you can add a title to your live stream, turn comments on or off, add effects or filters, and share your live stream through connected social media platforms or a messaging service. Once you're ready, press go live to start your stream. It will count you down from 3 and then boom, you're live. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video did help you out, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.